girls, welcome back to my channel. And anybody who's new, my name is Sissy. So in today's video I am gonna be doing a butterfly dreadlocks with natural hair. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like. Please do so and share the video with your friends and family, anybody that you know that might be interested on learning how to do a butterfly dreadlocks. As you can see, so I am parting the hair right now, and I have some of the hair that's already prepped, so I got them on the side. So the extension we are gonna be using, I use the curly crochet hair to do the butterfly dreadlocks. So it's gonna be in the description box down in the bottom, so you guys can check it out after. And don't forget, please subscribe, like and share. I will really appreciate it. So I am not gonna be talking too long. As you can see, I already started the video, so keep on watching and watch till the end so you can see the final result of the look. So please let me know anything that you think. I don't mind, like, just let me know any mistake, anything that you see, and anything that you want to see me doing on YouTube. So please feel free to comment and let me know what y'all think about the video. I'm not gonna be talking too long, so please keep watching the video and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in the next video. You have a great time. Bye. And I forgot to mention that all the products that I'm using, so they all gonna be in the description box also. So I am gonna be adding the edge control that I use, the hair mousse that I use, and the hair wax stick. So all of these matters if you wanna have a crispy line and a very neat dreadlocks, any kind of braiding that you're doing. If you want it to be neat and you want it to look professional, I always recommend that you have the hair wax stick, the edge control, and the mousse. So those are like a must. You have to have those if you want your braids or your locks to look like very clean and neat. So I am gonna be adding all the information and the link how to purchase them. I am gonna add them in the description box, so please do so. Click on the link if you're interested on any products that to use for your dreadlock and your and your braids. So please, after you watch the video, just go down in the description box. You can click and you're gonna see it's gonna direct you to where you can purchase any items that you want to do a braids or any kind of crochet or any kind of hair extension. So we have them available, so please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So that's the last time. Bye.